Hey everyone, welcome back to today's frequently excelled question with Yakir Haven. Today we're going to learn how to avoid a formula until it's needed. Sometimes you have a function that you want to drag down, but there are some rows that are empty and you don't want the function to activate until that row is complete. For example, let's do it. We have a list here of people with their payments and the tax. We want to calculate the total. So the usual way to do that would just be to do equals this cell plus this cell, and then you would just drag it down. But we're going to have more payments coming in. So what we're going to do is naturally we would just drag down maybe 100 rows or so. We have all these zeros. We don't want these zeros because it makes things look messy. So of course, if a number comes in, let's say Ben Joseph, he pays 300, tax of 30. So the number works, but we don't want all these zeros. So what we're going to do instead is use the if function to only activate this formula when there's some numbers here. So we can assume safely that as soon as a name comes in, their numbers also will be there. And then we can do the function. So let's start over here and do if A2 equals blank, meaning there's no name there yet, which means there's no donation yet or no payment yet, then just leave this blank. We don't want to have any zero, we just want to have this blank. But if it's not blank, which means that there's some sort of value in there, then do the calculation of B2 plus C2. Great. Now if we drag this down as far as you like, you see how it's empty until we get someone new. Now you have a zero. So 400 plus 40, and there's your number. And it goes on and on. So that's how you do it.